Hello students, come to our English class. Today I am going to teach you the fifth lesson. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is the plant a tree. What is the name of the lesson, children? Plant a tree. So if you refer the page number 61 from the English textbook, if you see the page number 61, there is the lesson, fifth lesson. The name of the lesson is plant a tree. See here. Look at the picture and discuss the question that follows. See here children, in the page number 61, he has given one picture. Let us see the picture here. What is given in the picture? Or look into the textbook, children. If you are not, you can see in the textbook on the screen also. So what is there? One tree is there. One woman is hugging to the tree and two children are stopping for a man for not to cut the tree. Not to cut the tree. One man is going to cut the tree. This woman and the children are stopping that man not to cut the tree. Did you understand, children? So now here, after the picture, down of the picture, he has given 4 questions, children. How many questions? 4 questions he has given. So these questions you should have to answer. Okay, you should have to answer to this question. Let us see how. What do you see in the picture, children? What did you see in the picture, sir? You can tell the answer in this way, sir. We have seen one tree. Yeah, one lady is covering the tree, and two girl children are stopping that man for not to cut the tree. Now, second question: what do you like or dislike in it? What are you liking? What are you disliking? Means what are you liking? You are liking that women are avoiding the men to cut the tree. You are liking this one. One woman is liking, avoiding the man to cut the tree. Now, what you dislike? You are disliking that for cutting the tree. Yes or no? You like to cut the trees? No, you are disliking for that. Next, what would happen if all the trees were cut down? What will happen, children? See, in our surroundings many trees are there. If we cut all the trees, what will happen? Okay, in your way, if you think in your way, what has happened? You are not able to get the fruits, you are not able to get the flowers, and you will not able to sit in the shade, and you cannot to play under the tree. These are the disadvantages if you cut all the trees. Now, how are trees helpful to everyone living on earth? Okay, how are the trees useful? Tell me, children, how are the trees useful? Trees are useful in many ways. Okay, they just give the eatable things. They will give the vegetables, fruits, and whatever it may be, and also they will give the medicine to us. Okay, these are the answers for these 4 questions, children. Now, oral discuss, role play he has given. Enact the scene depicted in the picture. Characters are given: woodcutter, woman, and children. Okay. Now, come to the lesson, children. Let us start the lesson. Reading part is given in the page number 62. From the page number 62, I am going to read, children. Now, I have drawn one picture. Let us discuss about this picture after the explanation or middle of the explanation. I will explain what this picture is about. Okay, what information the picture is giving. Now, let us see here, children. Also look in your textbook. Trees are the most useful things in the world. What are the trees? Trees are most useful. They are very useful. Yes. Can you tell me any disadvantage with the trees? No, not even one. Okay. Or one. You can see 1 or 2. But mostly we have many advantages. Means trees are very useful things in the world. Children play under them. In your way. Children, if you think in your way, what is the disadvantage? What is the advantage? You can play under them. Next, travelers rest their cool shade. Okay, traveler rest in their cool shade. That means when you are traveling in a long journey. Okay, when you are traveling in a long journey. If you are making a long journey, you are just get tired of. So what you will do? You will sit under the sun? No, you will sit under the tree for the shade. Next, trees give us a fruit to eat and firewood to burn. What are the uses of the tree? Tree gives us fruits. You know fruits? Apple, mango, okay, XYZ. All are the fruits we are getting not from the machines. We are getting all the fruits from where? From the trees only. And they will give, okay, when they and they will give the firewood. How the food is cooked in the olden days? Now we are cooking the food on the gas cylinders. Yes or no? Gas stove. Now in the olden days, how the people used to cook the food? The people used to cook the food on the firewood only. Next, we build houses and make furniture with the wood of the trees. What we are doing with the trees? We are just constructing, we are just building the houses. Okay, we are building the houses and making the furnitures in the house. Yes. Now we need trees for our lives. We need trees, sir. What is the use of the tree? Without trees we cannot live, sir. You will get that out. Yes, there is a reason. Without trees we cannot live. Let us see what is that. Okay, we need trees for our lives. How? If there was no trees, there would be no life on earth. If there are no trees on the earth, there is no life also. Life means whatever the breathing we are taking. If there is no tree, there is no life on the earth, children. Next, living things. Living things are nothing but who are the living things on the earth? Living things are the people and the animals. Yes or no? The people and the animals are the living things on the earth. Next, breathe in air. Okay, living things breathe in air. What the living things will do? They will just breathe the air. Breathe the air. The air. From where we are getting the earth? Let us suppose. Now tell me, children, where the air is coming from? The air is coming from the surrounding, from the environment. What the environment consists of? The environment consists of the plants and trees. From that only we are getting the air for breathing. Next, they breathe in oxygen from the air and breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, what is going on? One process is going on, children, here. I have drawn on the blackboard. One process is, one cycle is going on here. What is that? Here it is given. They breathe in oxygen from the air and breathe out carbon dioxide. Let us come to the picture, children. Here one diagram I have drawn on the blackboard. They are taking the oxygen. They are taking the oxygen. I have written oxygen here. They are taking the oxygen and releasing. They are breathing the oxygen. Who is breathing here? One person or an animal. One person I have drawn. So they are taking the oxygen. They are breathing. They are inhaling the oxygen and releasing what? Carbon dioxide. They are releasing. From where they are releasing? From mouth. We are breathing and we are releasing. Breathing and releasing. Did you understand, children? So inhaling the, we are taking the oxygen. We are taking the oxygen. Respiration we are taking. Okay, the process of respiration is occurring in our body. Yes or no? We are taking the oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. We are just releasing the carbon dioxide. Next, if all the oxygen in the air was used up, leaving only carbon dioxide, what would happen to all of us? Everyone would die. Okay, children. Now, sir, we have told only about the oxygen, respiration, and carbon dioxide. And another picture is mentioned here. One tree is given here, and from the tree, photosynthesis is happening. Photosynthesis, children. What is this? photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction. Means that is one reaction in which carbon dioxide, see, carbohydrates are nothing but nutrition and proteins. You tell no. So carbohydrates and proteins are forming from where? From where they are forming? From carbon dioxide forming. From carbon dioxide. Okay, and water also. Water. Okay, water also. Yes, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide. Who are releasing the carbon dioxide? The animals. They are exhaling. They are exhaling. The gas which is released by the human beings and the animals or the carbon factories. That carbon dioxide is mixed with water. Mixed with what here, children? Mixed with water, and one process is going on. What is this process? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but it is a reaction in which carbohydrates means proteins are formed. Means they have preparing the proteins. From where? from carbon dioxide and water, okay, and releasing one gas. What is that gas? Oxygen gas. Okay, how not only with the carbon dioxide and water, in the presence of sunlight also, when the sunlight from the sun is falling on the trees, then the trees are releasing the oxygen. Then the trees are releasing the oxygen. That oxygen is taken by the human beings. Respiration, whatever the gas we are inhaling, taking, that is called, that process is called respiration. We are taking the oxygen and releasing the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide in water and forming the photosynthesis. Means that photosynthesis is nothing but the formation of oxygen. That oxygen is taken by the human being. Got children? This is the cycle. Okay, this is the cycle, respiratory cycle. Okay. Now, what are the main character is done? Okay, who is doing the main thing here? The main work is done by the plant or a tree. Okay, the total work is, the maximum work is done by what here? Trees only, no? So now tell me children, trees are very important for our human life or not? Yes, they are very important in our human life. Let us see. Come to the next paragraph children. What is given here? If all the oxygen in the air was used up, see when this oxygen is all used up, what is happened? Used up, leaving only carbon dioxide. That would, what would happen? What would happen to all of us? Okay, when this oxygen is finished, only carbon dioxide is present. Oxygen is finished. If the oxygen is absent in the environment, only the carbon dioxide present, what is happening here? No life is there. We are not going to live on the earth. So that means we will die. Beings in the sense human beings and the animals also. Okay. Now, but trees help us to live. Who are helping us to live? Trees are helping us to live. These trees are helping us to live, children. Okay. With the trees, what is going on? One process is going on. What is the process? Photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis means carbon dioxide and nutrients are formed with the help of the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, children. When this, not only both we are getting from the trees, not only these two taking by the plant trees, trees also will take the oxygen from the trees also will take the sunlight from the sun and they produce the oxygen. Oxygen is nothing but fresh air. Fresh air, oxygen is nothing but fresh air. Whatever the air we are breathing inside, that is the oxygen. Got children? Now, they breathe in the carbon dioxide from the air and let oxygen out into the air. What they are taking? They are just releasing the, who are releasing? Human beings, persons are releasing the carbon dioxide, and what they are taking? They are taking the oxygen, children. Okay. Now, they use the carbon to make starch and let the oxygen out into the air. Okay, what they are taking? Carbon, C-A-R-B-O-N, carbon dioxide. They are taking the carbon, okay, and they are making one process. What is the process? Of photosynthesis process. By the help of the photosynthesis, they are producing the oxygen. Now, this is the picture, children. All might have seen in the textbook, I think, page number 62. One picture is there. The same picture I have drawn on the blackboard. Did you understand? This is one life cycle of a human being. How he is taking the oxygen and how is releasing the carbon dioxide. Next, children. Goes to the next page. Let us see what is happening here. Trees make all the starch in the world. Okay, what they are doing? All the trees are making the starch. S-T-A-R-C-H. S-T-A-R-C-H. Starch. Okay, starch is nothing but trees make all the starch in the world. Starch is the most important part of our food. Okay, whatever the starch is there, starch is nothing but one nutrition present in the plants and the trees. Present in this starch is present in the plants and the trees. Mostly, I will tell one example, children. Starch. If you want to see the starch, real starch, if you cut the lady's finger, okay, if you cut the lady finger, you will get some sticky thing, sticky part. That sticky thing is called the, like a gum you will see, no children. So that is called the starch. That starch is very useful for the human, important for our food. That is very important for our food. Without trees, we will not have any starch to eat. Okay. So if there are no trees, we don't have any starch to eat. What is the use of the starch, children? Starch is the use of the starch is nothing but it will use proteins. Okay, it will use the proteins, carbohydrates, whatever the nutritions are there, we are getting from the starch. Okay, next children, goes to the next paragraph. Trees help us to get rain. Again, in the lesson, all the uses of the trees he is explaining. Trees help us to get rain. With the help of the trees only, we are going to get the rains. The leaves of the trees breathe out a lot of water vapor into the air. Means the leaves of the trees breathe out a lot of water vapor into the air. See what the leaves of the trees are doing. What are the leaves are doing here? The work of the leaves is they are taking the water vapor. They are taking the water vapor. So water vapor, what is the water vapor? If you boil the water, you get some vapor, no children. Okay, when you boil the water, one bowl of water you just to boil, just you keep a lid on that. When you remove the lid after 1 or 2 minutes, you will see the vapor. That vapor is nothing but it is one type of water. Okay. So leaves of the trees breathe out, means they will take the water vapor into the air. This makes the air cool. Okay, this makes the air cool. Next, when you sit at one place and you will feel very cool air, children. Why? Why? Because these leaves undertake, they will breathe the water vapor. That's why they make the air very cool. Next, the cool air helps rainfall. Okay, the cool air. What is the use of the cool air? The cool air will help in getting the rainfall. Rain gives us water. What the rainfall is giving? They give us water. See, nowadays we are getting mostly rains. If the cycle is happening in this way, what I am getting, what I am explaining the textbook, no. So if the cycle happened in this way, we are getting the rainfall. Rain gives us water. No one can live without water. This is a fact. Yes or no, children? This is the fact. Without water, will you live? Okay. For example, I will tell you. Without water, without food, we can live for 1 to 5 days or 1 to 4 days, 1 to 3 days, 1 to 1. Okay, according to the immunity power. Yes, sir. So without water, we can live. No, if you don't drink the water from morning to evening per a day for 20 hours, 24 hours, so a person is unable to live on the earth. Now, no one can live without water, and we need trees to get water. What we needed here? We needed trees for what? For getting the water, children. Next, trees have many more uses. Trees have many more uses. Let us see here, children. Many uses are there. Okay, many more uses are there. What are the uses? We will continue with this topic in the next hour of our class. Oh my God.